Mexican
right now,
trader
we just ended
reading
up
live
sweeping out
price
this major
action.
low. Ended up sweeping this data low that we had made. We're about to open market in about 8 minutes, 7. So market could definitely just end up retracing pretty closely back up here. We finally swept the data low though that happened right there. I could see a retracement here because ES has an SMT. ES failed to sweep the low, but we'll just watch. We'll just see. So retest into this 5-minute encroachment. Let's see how we react. Back into the rejection wick now. Let's mark this out here. A little reaction off of the rejection wick. A little bit of a reaction here. We're coming back into possibly one of the key opens. 9 o'clock key open. Let's see if there's any sort of rejection or inverse here. We do have the first premium FEG as well right here, this 1 minute. There's a good rejection of the first premium FEG right here, also with the fib level 0.5. Shorts honestly do not look too bad, but the bias does look bearish right now from this continuation of last night. It's coming back into the first premium FEG. Now if you were short, you would want this area to hold. You don't really want to see any higher than this range. Why? Because this should work as a barrier for you. Us retracing here, if we're still bearish, it's just basic bearish continuation. Yeah, this would have been a nice short if you would have been nice. We also have another SMT now. NQ swept, ES didn't. Double SMT now on ES. We definitely might revisit this, but look at that up move. If you were looking for a long now, I mean, let's say I was looking for a reversal long, I would be careful because ES is making so many stack lows under you. But yeah, this could just be a retracement wick on the bigger time frame, guys. So we could still be bearish if it wanted to go low and take away ES's stack lows right here. It can easily just rebalance like this if it wanted to. Coming back into the data low sweep here. A 30-minute SIBI right here. We're starting to have a little bit of rejection. The 4-hour inverse on ES and the 30-minute inverse on NQ. You also have this sweep up here of these two highs. 10 AMs and 5. If ES is going to come back down and target those lows down there, that could definitely happen. Pretty nice dump right there.
Be careful though, guys. Be careful. 10 AM's right around the corner, so
I'm waiting for 10.
And 10's about to come out. Break even.
There might be a remanipulation. Oh my wick. Now, I would want to see a resweep then. If we're actually going to reverse here, I would want to see a resweep. So there's the remanipulation here. If I was going to look for shorts, I do not want to see any higher than this. So you would see this create a wick, and then we'll start breaking down, maybe re-tap into this like this. If we're actually going to reverse for the 10 AM PO3. If I would want to see a reversal back to the lows that ES left, I would want to see us reject off of this point. We're at the 30-minute encroachment. We've already rejected 2 times off of here. ES already remanipulated the high as well. ES left stack lows down here that I know that we can revisit. Higher chance. ES came back into this 4-hour inverse that we're holding as well. So a lot of things start aligning up. Like I said, 10 AM already happened. This is the 10 AM manipulation if we're going to come down.
All you need. You don't need more profit.
Bro, we just been sitting in this chop. Son, look at this. High resistance liquidity. Oh!
Dang.
Instant pullback, bro. Trump market, son.
It's for you, bro. If the
son, one single move. Well, like I said, my high is protected. I'm up here. So, oh, my manipulation.
Oh my gosh, Drake, calm down.
Who just got manipulated, son? Oh shoot, dude, look at that.
It won't fit. It won't take London highs. Wait, who was the guy that was in long?
That's why I put my stop at the high, son. Look, live TP, live TP. Come on, son. Where's that?